should have shut that door. Whatever. Welcome back to Dark Souls. What?
Do it.
No.
Fine.
But, okay. I guess this is just a solo episode, everyone. Sullivan's leaving. I don't know where he's going. But, as you've seen in past episodes, I have really struggled with that Crystal Sage. So you might notice we got some new spells. Because Harry decided to throw away that shitty sorcery stuff and learn how to be a firebender. So we're going to go get our ass kicked.
Leave a comment.
So leave a comment below.
Also subscribe.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Leave a like. Smash the like button.
Stop.
Gary.
Oh, God.
Don't stop shaking it. Oh, this reminds me of basketball for some reason.
Oh, yeah. It's almost like, it's very similar to the beat of that Quad City DJ song, the Come On Slam one. Oh, God. Probably only need
28.
One of these.
Why'd you stop?
Oh, no. Do you think it's worth hitting him like twice right there?
But I don't know.
I'm sliding in.
If only there was a way to kill him with one hit.
I know.
Oh my God.
Well, he found out how to kill me with one hit. You know, at least
30.
At least he's giving us exciting ways to die. I gotta be the leaf. Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. Oh, it killed me. See, we're giving you guys new content. Look at that. But you've never seen that before. Oh my God. No, fuck. I'll go back and reread like Chamber of Secrets a lot. Oh my God.
32. I want some boneless chicken wings.
You want a lot of things. You want Risk. You want boneless chicken wings.
Yep.
I'm sure. You want World of Warcraft to be fun, which is never gonna happen.
I want a Ready Player One Part 2.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna kill me.
Yep.
Ah, oh, fuck.
God, you could have had him.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no.
No. 32? What? 34?
I don't know. That's not my job.
Let's split the difference. 33.
I'm getting in the zone now, though.
Hello?
Cole, hang on. I'm gonna FaceTime you. Is that okay?
Okay.
So we're in the studio, Cole.
Okay.
We're gonna put you live on screen. We can't do that, actually.
We can't do that.
But
You can try.
You have anything to say to the people at home?
Hello?
Okay. Do you have any words of encouragement for our dear friend?
Get good.
oh, perfect.
Okay.
Thanks, Cole.
Thanks for calling in, Cole. Talk to you next week.
Oh, yeah.
Talk to you guys. Bye.
Bye.
He always knows just what to say.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a fight of the ages.
Oh!
A matchup never seen except in 2 previous episodes.
I was about to say. It's been seen for the bulk of this playthrough.
Could it end here tonight? Will it ever cease? Will
Let's
Harry Gappkles
discharge.
Jr. ever end his everlong torment?
Yes. You know, I couldn't ask for a better way to end with Harry Gappkles Jr. on his back as the boss died. Maybe I should just end it
Please
off.
don't. All right, everybody, welcome to the
Start of the episode.
yeah, the 2nd minute of the video. Cole.
What?
You only get 1 call in a week.
You know, I think I deserve a reward after beating that boss.
Why don't you go and rest at that posture box? God,
What the fuck's wrong with you?
I don't know. Gracious.
Can you get yourself under control?
Sometimes it comes in waves.
I'm not even gonna like try to do any kind of commentary while you're fucking losing your mind over here.
Okay, hang on.
Hang on.
I'm starting to sweat. Maybe if I chew some gum.
Chew it right up on the mic.
Give you some
ASMR.
tasty ASMR. Watch, I'll start now. Welcome to my gum shop.
My gum shop.
This is Mentos Pure Fresh, not a sponsor. Join me on this quest for freshness. You don't want to get too many pieces now. I accidentally got out 2. Save those for later. Here we go. Enjoy with me.
I can't do it. As soon as I heard the noises, that's exactly what those fucking channels are like. That didn't seem to help at all, did it?
Nope. Sometimes this gum is so strong that it closes my throat and I can't breathe for a couple seconds.
Is this open? Ha! Check my iframes, bro. We were talking before we started recording about the series might be broken up into parts.
So you don't get tired of us.
Yeah.
More so than you already are.
Right. Weird.
You know, I'm not good with words to begin with.
Yeah.
But add hiccups to the mix, and I'm a mess.
That's a real struggle. God, it'd be so hard to climb the ladder that fast.
Climb the
Just
ladder,
like
kid.
that. Make yourself famous. God, who are the Deacons of the Deep gonna be? There's a lot of people. We've already used the Weasleys.
Oh, they can be,
for our big group of people, boss.
I can't, the Ministry of Magic.
Oh, yeah, because they suck. Come on, everyone. We're going to Hogsmeade. They're fucking each other up. How is this happening? Normally, the enemies can't damage each other like that. I'm just going to do real quick to see if I can, like, rush to the Deacons. Otherwise, I'll just end on getting killed by the giant. Wait a minute.
Got him.
Ha ha! I'm a little trickster. This looks like a treasure chest, doesn't it, everyone? It's not. I'm just going to end it on an attempt at the Deacons, which will probably not go well. Because I'm not fully equipped right now, but we'll give it a shot. This is going to be the end of the episode, everyone. Bye. Just kidding. We're going to show you the boss. Or bosses.
Wow. Got him. Oh, no. This is not good.
Yeah, I really need that flash sword. You know what? We're going to go in this like men. Tally-ho! I knocked him over. If you're confused as to what's happening, the red spirit goes into a new deacon every now and then. And the only way to damage this boss is you have to kill the guy that has the spirit. Okay, here comes the big pope. They're a cool idea for a boss. I will say that. Ouch. Gee whiz.
Subscribe, like, comment.
Bye.